If you want to pause your location on the Life360 app, I'm going to actually show you how to do it without letting anybody know that you've actually paused your location. So stick close. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, so we're in Life360. What we want to do now is actually go out of Life360. So this is going to happen in our settings. So I'm using an iPhone. I'm going to go into my settings over here. We're going to go all the way down, look for General. Once you've tapped on General, you're going to go ahead and you're going to look for the background app refresh, which is just over here. So you can see over here, it says background app refresh. Okay, so this is on and it's for Wi-Fi and mobile data. And this means that the location services on my phone is being refreshed in the background. All right, so we can either turn this off completely, or we can go down and we can look for Life360. You can see that Life360 is currently on. We can actually just turn it off. And what will happen is our location services for this particular app will be paused and there will be no notification because this is not actually being done inside the app. So you will not have a live location on Life360. I hope this was helpful.